Search how to buy shares of Hub Cyber Security Ltd. Hub Cyber Security Ltd. is a cybersecurity company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker HUBC, and this video is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To buy HUBC, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HUBC to locate Hub Cyber Security Ltd. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing to ensure it's the correct company. On the asset page, check the company profile and a price chart to review basic information. Verify the ticker shows HUBC and the exchange is NASDAQ to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market opens, depending on platform rules. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once the order is executed or queued, you will see the new position in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.